Today we're going to show you how to install the all-new tower top on a brand new Onward. So if you're going to be looking at installing a canvas cover, click this link here. It's going to show you exactly how to do that. As for now, let's get our tools and get started. As you can see, we've removed the top that was already on the golf car, getting ready for our new tower top. So you have two uprights that go in the front. First one we want to get is to make sure that it fits into the slot and that it curves inward towards the car, because we want that nice body line. Goes straight up here for the windshield and then curves back outward away from the car to mate up with the rest of the top. Now with our OEM hardware that we used earlier, we want to go ahead and mount this thing in. Now using my T40, we'll tighten this down. Now let's do the other side the same. Now we're going to install our rear upright bar. Now in doing this, it is non-directional, so don't worry about which way you put it. But let's go ahead and remove the bar, slide it on the bottom, and then get the bar and put across down into the slots of the rear supports. Okay, now to put the bar into the slot and set it down so we can mount it. Now we'll bolt it in. Now using the provided hardware of a bolt, flat washer, and a nut, we'll go ahead and mount this bar here and here. Now it's time to install our rear uprights. Two things you really need to pay attention to when doing this. Number one is our MODZ emblem. We want the MODZ emblem pointing towards the inside of the golf car. Second thing we want to pay attention to is this bolt hole. We want to make sure the alignment is inward towards the car. That means we'll get our S2 bolt, slide in, and be pointing towards the inside of the car. So we will actually hook it up to the rear support here first. And since this bottom bar moves, we can align it and put the other bolt here. Now let's do the other side exactly the same. Now to install our center portion of our tower top. It is non-directional, so you can turn it either way you want. The main thing is we want the front and the back slid into these holes. Now for the S1 bolt. Now for our last two pieces, we have our top ends, our front and the back. Actually, it can be front or back. They're identical. So let's get this started. Okay, now making sure this is tilted downward in the front, we'll put each side on. Just remember, all the bolts on top are the S1s. Now we install the back the same way as we did the front. Okay, we've got our tower top installed. Just remember, when installing this, leave all your bolts just hand tight until you're completely finished. Then start with the front, work your way to the back, tighten them down. And that is how you install the new tower top. We'll see you next time.